My name is Dr. Nitin Agarwal. I am from IV Hospital, Chandigarh.
It was a very well-organized program by Dr. Pramod, the Krishnappa and his team.
I came here to study Andrology program, and this program is very practical, concise, and give me a lot of information which is very useful in my day-to-day practice.
Andrology is a very remote topic as a resident and practicing urologist. Got a new idea about the management of AD, PE, and about the infertility.
And all the topics are well covered, and the hospitality is very good. I am thankful to Dr. Pramod.
His way of presentation, crisp and brief presentations with a lot of information in stipulated time, well managed.
All things means the topic he chose in this program, and the practical, he speaks only practical, not the theoretical part. That's why it is a great learning fields.
Definitely, for a budding urologist like us, it will help us and guide us in managing andrology patients and male infertility. Of course, the AndroNeo being the premier institute in infertility specialty.
It's give me practical reason to choose my patient, and also different modality of treatment option I can give, and I can extend my practice well.
It's a big opportunity to work with Pramod Krishnappa sir in future. I hope it will help. It was well organized from morning till evening. Didactic lectures, but a well-paced time with breaks in between. Good, it was good.
It is very well organized, everything. Hospitality is good, the food and the arrangement they made and everything I like.